everyone. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my interactive whiteboard lesson and how I designed it. So to begin, I created a chart as my template, and it already had these 3 columns lined up. And to begin, I changed the background of the color by double clicking, and I was able to change the colors with these tools and change the opacity like that. And then in order to create these boxes, I used the shape chart, and I was able to use hyperlinks by using the link icon, and I was able to insert an image by using the tool with the uploading. And then again, I used the shape tool for both of these. And in order to create the sticky notes, I scrolled up and I got a sticky note, and you are able to change the color of the sticky notes. And those are all of the tools that I used in order to create my interactive whiteboard. Thank you.